Imagine consuming 5 teaspoons of sugar with your morning coffee. Sounds unhealthy, right? Now picture this. A single can of soda holds around 10 teaspoons of sugar. That's double your morning coffee's sweetness. And this is just a glimpse into the world of processed foods, where hidden sugars, salts, and fats lurk. It's not just about the extra sweetness or saltiness, it's about the unseen impact these ingredients have on our health. The truth is, processed foods are everywhere, and their impact on health is more significant than you might think. Now, you might be wondering what makes these processed foods so harmful. Well, let's dive into the science behind it. First off, many processed foods are high in sugar and high fructose corn syrup. These sweeteners are added to enhance taste, but they also pack a hefty caloric punch. Regular consumption can lead to obesity, a condition linked to a plethora of health problems including heart disease. But that's not all. High sugar intake can also directly contribute to heart diseases by damaging the inner lining of your arteries. Secondly, processed foods often contain artificial ingredients. These include preservatives, colorants, flavor enhancers, and various other chemical additives. While they may make your food last longer, look more appealing, or taste better, some of these ingredients can have harmful effects on the body. For example, certain food dyes have been linked to hyperactivity in children, and some preservatives to increased cancer risk. Lastly, processed foods are typically high in refined carbohydrates. Unlike their whole grain counterparts, these carbs are stripped of their fiber and nutrients. This means that they get digested quickly, leading to rapid spikes in blood sugar and insulin levels. Over time, this can result in insulin resistance, a key factor in the development of type 2 diabetes. So, the next time you reach for that packet of chips or can of soda, remember the hidden dangers? However, it's not all doom and gloom. Making healthier food choices is within everyone's reach. Let's shift our focus from the pitfalls of processed foods to the bounty of beneficial alternatives. Reducing our intake of processed foods may seem daunting, but the rewards are bountiful. Imagine the crisp crunch of a fresh apple, the vibrant colors of a vegetable stir-fry, the hearty satisfaction of a whole grain bread sandwich, or the lean protein of a well-cooked chicken breast. These wholesome foods not only taste fantastic but also nourish our bodies, supplying essential nutrients for optimal health. The benefits go beyond just feeling good. Consuming fresh fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins can help to maintain a healthy weight, reduce the risk of chronic diseases, and promote overall wellness. So, let's make a toast to better health and wellness. Remember, your health is in your hands. Start making healthier choices today, and your body will thank you tomorrow.